What's the deal, YouTube? So shoot, today got another banger for y'all. I'm about to go to the muffler shop and get this car a little louder, get the GT as loud as possible. I'm about to see what's going down with this.
At the light, turn left onto Kingswood
I got my mama behind me. I don't know. Yeah, she behind me. So she about to get her car done too. So yeah, we about to go ahead and do that. So yeah, I'm gonna cut the camera on when I get up there. I wonder how this boy about to sound. That's hard. Yeah, that boy hard. Y'all can't deny that boy screaming. Challenger next. Yeah. Rev it one more time for me. Oh yeah, that sounds good. Alright, so we leaving the muffler shop. What I'm about to do, I'm about to let y'all hear it from the inside. I'm really trying to wait till this light go. This boy sounding good. I was just playing with it. This boy sound real good. I'm in love right now. Like, I'm over here cheesing, I ain't gonna lie. I'm waiting on this light to turn green for real. I don't want to just hold. Alright, bet it just turned. This boy is way louder. Alright, turn yellow. Nah, I gotta wait. Or if it turn, alright, bet. After this white car, I'm gonna do it. Already lose. My God, that shit sound good. That sound too good. Hey, look, mama in the back, quit playing. Quit playing with us. Quit playing with us, dog. Hey, we tight for real. So yeah, man, I'm messing with this exhaust setup heavy. I got what I got was a straight pipe with some 5-inch tips. Shout out to RPM Exhaust in Arlington. They got me right. They real cheap too, or at least cheap compared to other people. Cause I had somebody trying to pay me literally double for the same thing they just did. So shout out to them. You feel me? They got me. They got my mom's right too. The Challenger, y'all see. They got us right. It's sounding real good to me. It's something you gotta hear in person, low key. Like on YouTube, it be sounding good. In person, it's like a whole nother, like, you really get to feel it here, you know? Y'all let me know what y'all think. in the future, I might add some flow masters. I might put the flow masters to go with it. So yeah, unless I do something else today or tomorrow, I mean, that's a wrap for this video, I guess. So appreciate y'all for watching. Again, let me know what y'all think about it. I think I might, I don't know, but all right.
Nobody, that's the only thing. Where was niggas at when I was by myself? I seen niggas doing good, they ain't try to help me. But I don't count on nobody, that's the only thing. I seen niggas had to shine, they turned shady. She wanna do relations, so I test out. You want feelings?